Welcome back to another video unboxing and review. Today we've got a PC mid-tower case, the Corsair Carbide 275R. This is available in two flavours. You've got the white and the black. There's a difference of £10 in both, white being the dearest. They also have tempered glass edition, which I have here. And as you can see, it's very minimalistic and sleek looking. I'm also going to put the specs on screen now. Like most standard ATX cases, it comes with 7 expansion slots. This one has 2 3.15-inch drive bays, 3 2.5-inch drive bays, and also supports a lot of radiator configurations and a lot of cooling options, which I'm looking forward to looking into. I'd like to note as well, with this model, the previous version had issues with the mounting of the tempered glass and also the securing of the screws. As you can see now, they've upgraded them with thumb screws and they've used flatheads. Here we see a thumb screw and a flathead, whereas the old one was an Allen key hex. And I'll show you now that they've also changed the mechanism of holding the tempered glass on, whereas before it would just drop off. You see I'm moving the last screw now, and on the previous version of it, it would just drop down. Now they have got these screws are actually screwed right in, and the washers are attached to them, so you won't be losing them anytime soon. Just going to give you a close-up of these screws. So here's the new and improved thumb screws. I'll watch my thumb the way. Whereas the hex screws are just flat like that. I don't know why they've given us. They've included these with this version as well, along with a hex wrench or an Allen key. And I'll take it closer to one of the mechanisms. So as you can closely see, it's all properly mounted on, and the rubber grommet is not going to be moved. Now onto the side of the case, where I'll reveal the rest of the cable management, and also, as you can see, the drive bays. So on the bottom left, you got the 3.5-inch ×2 drive bays, which this caddy can be removed if you want to install water cooling setup or more room for your cables and the power supply cables. And then the top two on the right then are for your SSDs, which can be removed with thumb screws. And in the middle then you can see the cable runs. There's many of these cable runs around the place, and also rubber grommets, which adds an extra touch to it. Especially at this price point, it's really good. Nice to see that included. Also, the back of the motherboard tray has been cut out, leaving more ventilation for the processor, cooling as well, and future CPU swaps and cooling swaps. As you can see, there's a lot of tie downs for your cables here, making cable management a breeze. Around to the front now, where you can see the dust filter is easily removable. It's held on by 6 magnetic little dots here, as you can see, making it even easier. And also, if you can see in the background, that you can fit many different radiator configurations up to 360mm, giving you endless possibilities of using your own custom water cooling, or even just loads of AIO coolings there, or just fans. The front I/O is basic with power, reset, mic, headphones, and 2 USB 3.0 ports. And on the top, as you can see, we can fit a few radiators here up to, I think it's 280mm. I'm not sure what they're doing with the side mount on the front there, but it's giving you more options again. Taking a closer look now into the case, and we can see 3 main grommets there to hide away the cables, and more routing options around the motherboard tray. Going towards the front of it, We've got the little gap there, allowing for a 360mm radiator and more airflow to go down below. Taking a closer look now at the cable management system, we can see we've got 2 grommets to the right of the motherboard. We also have 3 holes above the motherboard for the various cables and power cables. And we also have one at the bottom left of the motherboard for your front panel headers. Standoffs have all been pre-installed, making installation even easier for those beginner builders. That's it for the unboxing and a brief review of the Corsair Carbide 275R. Tune in for part 2 where I build and show all the other parts involved in this build for my girlfriend. If you like this video, give it a like. If you disliked it, you know what to do. Subscribe for more videos. See you soon. Bye.